Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we're checking out this RC, they say car truck, but so this is for ages 8 and older, and variable speed control, max speed 28 km/h, 2.4 GH remote control. It's a 1/12 scale. Let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, right away, you're gonna need 3 AA batteries. So we're gonna go put AA batteries in, then we're gonna show you guys this outside. So guys, a very quick rundown on what you get. You get the RC vehicle, you get your remote, you get a manual, you get a charging cable, you get a battery pack. There might be a second battery pack, we'll see, and you get a screwdriver. So guys, this is what it looks like. So you can take the body off by pulling these pins here. It looks like you got 1, 2, 3 pins. We go ahead and turn it on the back here. You have your on and off switch on the back, and it looks like the battery compartment might be in here. You can also adjust your left and right trim for it to turn, turn to the left more one way or not. Let's go ahead and open this up and see if the battery compartment is in there. So guys, yes, there is. This is the battery compartment, and they actually give you a battery already in here, just not connected. So you do get 2 batteries in total. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out, see how well it performs. Your on and off switch is underneath here. Pretty awesome. So for grass, it's not really that good. So you would probably want to ride it on pavement. I mean, it can go, sort of, but definitely designed for pavement, stones, and related, as you guys can see here. So here we go. This is what it's more designed for. So it can go in tall grass if it's got momentum, but once it stops, it pretty much can get stuck in grass. But if you're going through grass like this, it's got momentum to go, as you guys can see.